Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick tour of my Schoology page and some of the resources that are available. So under courses, you can go to Miss E, Math Specialist, and then I have different grade level folders. There aren't much in the grade level folders, but each grade level has a monthly math activity sample, so it's 30 at-home activities. My 5th grade folder does have a few checkpoints that I created under the assessment tab, and I have some also practice problems available. My YouTube channel is located here under Miss E's video mini lessons. The individual videos, most of them are here. I need to keep up to date. And then I also have some creation videos that I've made previously if you're looking for shorter quick clips as well. This folder is my math fact strategies and fraction resources, so there's some great printables and interactive hundreds charts that are a lot of fun that I've mentioned and shared. You can also get dot cards, and then these are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division strategy posters that we've provided for the classrooms in color. So those are there as well digitally. And then here's kind of some printables like I mentioned, and then right here are quick videos more for teachers to show and possibly families to show the progression of basic operations and fractions, and then also from NCTM some of the ways to engage in fact fluency. You can find all the CGI word problem resources here. Word problem types. There's the Greg Tang problem solving page, a nice little bar modeling toolkit with the strategies all placed in one area. Notice that they were also in Spanish. Speaking of which, there's some Spanish at-home resources available, PBS here, and also Hand to Mind. All the Math and Focus access information is here. There's virtual tools through Math and Focus as well. The Bridges app that I've shown with many of you is located here. One of the cool features that I just wanted to make sure you knew about in the app for Bridges is that you can actually share. So you can have all the tools here, and then you can actually share your resource here. It'll give a code if you want it to be more interactive once you kind of get more involved with it. So for example, there's a link, you can save the image as well. And there's also a share code. I have a BrainPop account as well, so that information is available. And again, my SPS information for Math and Focus is available here. Extra Math, Rethink resources. I would also say Learn Zillion is great in terms of 3 to 4 minute videos for very specific skills. There's the Greg Tang math site, just lots of fun. And then I've also experimented a little bit with Flipgrid. And then more for you, this is the link to Teacher Education by Design, Illustrative Math in U-Cubed. So I'm hoping that helps. My office hours, if any students are curious, are located here. You can also find it under the updates section. as well. So I hope that helps and that you're taking care. Bye.